as gold inches closer to an all-time high of rupees 50,000 per 10 gram. Silver has crossed a 4-year high, breaching the rupees 60,000 per kg mark in the opening session on 22nd July. Spot silver prices climbed over 7% to $22.83 an ounce, the highest since 2013 in the global market. In the commodity asset class, silver is the second best performer after crude oil, gaining nearly rupees 8,500 in 3 days. A weak dollar in the overseas market has also aided gains in the metal. While gold has gained around 28% in 2020, silver has returned 52% between March 18th to July 6th, 2020. Since March end, silver has delivered a 39% return to investors against around 14% in the case of gold. The returns reflect investor interest in the asset class as COVID-19 infections rise and times remain uncertain. In a relatively volatile market, silver is an alternative investment and a proxy to gold. Experts expect the second half of 2020 to see heavy industrial use, investment demand, and silver's strategic importance as a currency hedge during volatility. Silver's outperformance against gold is also evident from a drop in gold-silver ratio, that is the amount of silver required to buy an ounce of gold. The ratio is currently around 91, the lowest since February. According to Kotak Securities, silver will likely extend gains amid upbeat gold prices. Experts believe while investment demand for gold improved, retail demand in India softened due to a price rise, and investors turned to the cheaper silver. Meanwhile, in the futures market, silver for September delivery touched an intraday high on the MCX. Silver holdings in iShares ETF also touched fresh record high levels due to strong investor interest in non-interest linked assets. Experts estimate that rising investment demand as seen in 2019 and a similar trend in 2020 will ensure that silver prices keep surging. The trend reverses in times of stronger dollar, similar to trends seen in 2018. Silver, with global market size at about 23,000 tonnes annually, has wide industrial use in electronics and solar cells and panels and tends to perform well if economic activity improves. Gold and silver have been the top performers in the Bloomberg Commodity Index in 2020 on fears of an economic fallout and expectations of government stimulus packages. While a fear of inflation drive interest in these precious metals, silver is more closely tied to economic recovery and becomes an affordable choice. Prediction of a good monsoon by IMD has raised expectations of better agricultural output, driving rural demand, making silver attractive.